Adobe PDF stands for Portable Document Format. It is a commonly used today, shareable on any devices, also downloadable and printable, mainly for viewing not editing, and preserved document formatting. To view a PDF file, open a web browser like Chrome, Safari, or Edge. Click and view the PDF file directly in the browser, or click Download to save the PDF file. To install Adobe Acrobat, go to https://get2.adobe.com/reader. Check or uncheck optional offers. Click Download Acrobat Reader, or Acrobat Pro Trial. Follow the installation instruction. Acrobat Reader DC is free to view, comment, print, and sign a PDF file. Acrobat Pro DC requires a subscription plan. It includes view, comment, print, sign, create, export as Word or Excel, add password, real-time tracking. To fill a PDF form, download the form, open it in Acrobat, click Fill and Sign icon twice. Choose the specific tools to fill out the form. Click Save icon when done. To sign a form, fill out the form in Acrobat. Click Fill and Sign icon twice. Click Sign icon. Choose Add Signature or Initials. Choose Type, Draw, or Image. Check Save Signature. Click Apply. To request signatures, click Fill and Sign. Request signatures. Fill out signer's emails, subject and message. Click Specify where to sign. Drag and drop signature fields options. Click Send. To print a PDF file, open the PDF in browser or Acrobat. Click Print icon. Select a printer. Follow the instruction to print. To set a password in Pro, open the PDF in Acrobat Pro. Click File, Protect using password, then set permission and password. Click Apply. For free Outlook email and calendar, go to outlook.live.com/OWA to download. Click Create Free Account or Sign In. Download desktop version or access via webmail. For Outlook email toolbar options, click New Message for App Launcher. Search, chat via Skype, OneNote feed, calendar, notifications, settings, help, account manager. For Outlook email settings, click Settings icon for Theme, Dark Mode, Focused Inbox, Desktop Notifications, Display Density, Conversation View, Reading Pane. View all Outlook settings. For Reading Pane settings, click Settings icon, go to Reading Pane, choose Show on the right, Show on the bottom, or Hide. Reading Pane tools include Delete, Archive, Junk, Sweep, Move to, Categorize, Snooze, Mark as Unread, Create Rule, and more. To create email message, click New Message, enter email addresses, subject, and message, click Attach for attachment, click Send icon, click Discard for delete. Use the search box. Enter name, email address, or keyword in the search box. Press Enter, or click the search icon. To filter the message list, click the Filter button to choose All, Unread, To Me, Flagged, Mentions, Attachment. To sort messages, click the Filter button, then click Sort. Choose to sort messages by date, from, size, importance, subject, oldest on top, newest on top. To archive an email, click an email, click the Archive button. To use the Sweep option to clear the inbox, click the Sweep button to automatically delete all incoming email from a particular sender. Choose From and Move to. Click OK. To mark junk email messages, select a message or a sender. Click Junk, then choose Junk, Phishing, or Block. To organize messages, select a message, click Move to, then choose Move to Other Inbox. Always move to Other Inbox. Create a new folder. Move to a different folder. Move all messages from. To access Outlook Calendar, click App Launcher, the 9 dots icon, click Calendar, or click Toggle Left Pane, the 3 lines icon, then click Calendar. Click the left pane icon for Calendar. Add calendar, My Calendars. Click the calendar settings icon. Click View All Outlook settings. Then click Calendar for View Events and Invitations, Weather, Events from Email, Shared Calendars, Customize Actions, Accounts. To add calendar, click the left pane icon. Click Add Calendar. Add personal calendars. Edit My Calendars. Create blank calendar. Add from directory. Subscribe from web. Upload from file. Click a day or new event icon to create an event. Set day, time, description, title, location, and reminders. Choose Repeat to make it a recurring event. Click Invite People. Click Save or Send. To modify an event, click an event. Click Edit icon. Make changes. Click Save or Send. To delete an event, click an event. Click Delete twice. For a recurring event, choose this event, this and all following events, or all events in the series. To share your calendar, click Share. Enter a name or email address. Choose Can view when I'm busy, can view titles and locations, can view all details, or can edit. Click Share. To stop or change sharing permissions, click Share. Select a name or email address. Choose a new setting, or click Trash icon to stop sharing. To publish a calendar, click the Settings icon. Click View All Outlook Settings. Click Calendar, Shared Calendars. Under Publish a Calendar, choose the calendar and select Permission. Click Publish. Copy and paste the HTML link to a website. To unpublish a calendar, click the Settings icon. Click View All Outlook Settings. Click Calendar, Shared Calendars. Under Publish a Calendar, choose the calendar. Click Unpublish.